If you live in a small home or apartment, you know that every square inch matters. Limited space can often feel restrictive, making it difficult to create a comfortable, functional, and visually appealing environment. However, with the right interior design strategies, even the smallest spaces can be transformed into stylish, well-organized, and highly efficient living areas. In today's video, we are going to explore some of the most effective design hacks that will help you make the most of your home. Now let's get started. One of the best ways to make a small space work efficiently is by investing in multifunctional furniture. When space is limited, every piece of furniture should serve more than one purpose to maximize usability while keeping the area uncluttered. For example, a sofa bed is an essential item for studio apartments or guest rooms. During the day, it functions as a stylish and comfortable seating area, and at night, it transforms into a cozy bed for sleeping. Similarly, expandable dining tables are perfect for small spaces. You can keep them compact for daily use. But when you have guests over, they can be extended to accommodate more people without permanently taking up extra space. Another brilliant solution is wall-mounted or foldable desks. If you work from home but don't have the luxury of a dedicated office space, these desks provide a functional workspace that disappears when not in use. This keeps your living space neat and multi-purpose. Even smaller items like storage ottomans and nesting tables can serve multiple functions. A storage ottoman provides extra seating, acts as a coffee table, and offers hidden storage to keep your space tidy. Nesting tables allow you to pull out extra surfaces when needed and tuck them away when you don't. By carefully selecting pieces that adapt to your needs, you can significantly improve the efficiency of your home without sacrificing comfort or design. In small homes, the biggest mistake people make is only focusing on floor space while ignoring vertical space. The walls and ceilings in your home are valuable real estate that, when used effectively, can add both storage and style without making a room feel cramped. Floating shelves are one of the easiest ways to use vertical space. They keep items off the floor while allowing you to display books, plants, decorative objects, or even small storage baskets. If you're short on closet space, wall-mounted racks with hooks can provide an excellent solution for hanging coats, bags, and accessories. For bedrooms, a lofted bed can be a game changer, especially for kids or studio apartments. By elevating the sleeping area, you free up valuable space underneath for a desk, storage, or even a cozy seating nook. In kitchens, instead of cluttering counters with utensils, you can install ceiling-mounted storage racks for pots and pans. Similarly, over-the-door organizers are perfect for pantry storage, small closets, or even bathroom essentials. By thinking beyond just the floor, you can discover many creative ways to maximize your home's storage potential without making it feel crowded. One of the biggest challenges in small space living is keeping everything organized while maintaining a stylish, clutter-free look. This is where hidden storage solutions come in. A great example is using underbed storage drawers to store seasonal clothing, extra bedding, or even shoes. This allows you to utilize the space beneath the bed without adding bulky furniture. Another smart idea is opting for beds with built-in storage headboards, which provide shelving for books, lamps, and nighttime essentials without requiring a bedside table. In the living room, Consider coffee tables or benches with hidden compartments. These pieces provide essential storage for items like blankets, remotes, and magazines, helping you keep your space tidy. Additionally, using over-the-door organizers in bathrooms or entryways can be a game-changer. These small yet functional solutions keep frequently used items easily accessible while freeing up cabinet and counter space. With smart storage solutions in place, you can maintain a clean and organized home while maximizing every available inch. Color and lighting play a crucial role in making a small space feel larger and more inviting. The right choices can create an airy, open feel, even in the most compact environments. Lighter colors such as whites, creams, and pastels reflect natural light, making a room feel more spacious and open. On the other hand, darker colors can make a room feel smaller by absorbing light. If you want to incorporate bold colors, consider using them as accents rather than on all the walls. Mirrors are another powerful tool in interior design. By placing a large mirror across from a window or in a narrow hallway, you can bounce light around the room, creating the illusion of depth and openness. Lighting is just as important as color. Instead of relying on a single overhead light, use a combination of wall sconces, table lamps, and under-cabinet lighting to create layers of light. This prevents shadows and enhances the feeling of spaciousness. By carefully choosing colors and lighting, you can completely transform the atmosphere of a small home and make it feel larger and more comfortable. And that wraps up today's video on the best interior design hacks for small spaces. We hope these ideas inspire you to rethink and transform your living area, no matter how limited it may be. Which of these tips did you find the most useful? Do you have any space-saving tricks of your own? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest home design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.